How to unpack the EasyJet Pro 36 DTF powder shaker dryer. First, use the drill to unscrew the top of the lid. When all the screws are removed, lift up the top of the lid and move it to the side. Then, with the drill, remove all the side panels on the crate to reveal the EasyJet Pro 36. Set the side panels off to the side. When all side panels are off, remove the take-up reel parts and the wooden ramps. You will need the wooden ramps to slide the EasyJet Pro 36 off of the wooden platform. With the drill, remove the metal brackets holding the casters to the wooden platform. Do this for all 4 casters. Place the wooden ramps on the ground right in front of the casters. With 2 people, lift the shaker so the 2 casters are on top of the ramp. Then slide the shaker down the ramp. Lift the back shaker so the back 2 casters are on the ramp, and fully slide the shaker off the ramp and onto the ground. Once on the ground, unwrap the protective material off the shaker. The shaker is now ready to be placed in front of your DTF printer. The shaker is on industrial casters and can be easily moved by 1 person. If you need to fit your printer through a standard doorway, refer to our unpacking and setup through a 30-inch doorway video. To set up your shaker with your DTF printer, refer to our EasyJet Pro 36 setup video. For more information, contact Equipment Zone.